The My Learning page within the CABI Academy, it used to be known as the dashboard. At the top of this page, there's a bit of information about yourself. So it will tell you what your current time zone is set to, what your preferred language is, and then the information about you. And you have the option to edit your profile if any of that information needs to be changed. You then have a list of your recently accessed courses. So the ones you were in most recently will appear on the left, scrolling across to the right. And then beneath that is the area which will show all of the courses onto which you are enrolled. Now, if you're only enrolled on a few, then it's quite easy to work your way around here. But if you are enrolled onto lots of courses, it's worth working with this a little bit. At the moment, I have mine set to display as card, but I can change that to list. It just shows the items vertically rather than going across. It's personal preference, and you can flick between the two. If you want to search for a course, you can just type in part of the course name, and it will then narrow the courses down to only include the ones that contain whatever you've typed in. So that's very useful. Each course will have a 3-dot icon. If you click on that, you have an option to star the course, and that's basically kind of favoriting them. And the beauty of that is you can then change the filter to only show your starred courses. So if you're enrolled on lots of courses for whatever reason, but there's only 3 or 4 you want to get to quickly, you can star those courses and then you filter for starred, and then you just change it to all in order to go back to where you were before.